At a soon-to-be torn-down motel in downtown Cedar City, firefighters practiced their skills during 2 recent training sessions. Saturday morning, firefighters and trainees practiced breaching doors.
That's effective. There we are. Hey! Nice.
They also used the ladder truck to access the roof, where they practiced ventilation techniques. Various other hands-on training exercises took place throughout the rest of the morning.
I'm going to show you how to get the tree down.
Then, on Monday night, the firefighters gathered again at the site for a live fire exercise. Cedar City Fire Chief Mike Phillips explained the scenario.
You get down into it, it's foam, so that's just gasoline. We're going to do 2 evolutions here. The first one's going to be a legacy versus modern fuel. It'll be these 2 rooms over here. I want you guys to walk by and look at the fuel loading. The next one we'll have a door that we're going to run the piercing nozzle through. We're going to have a door that's open the whole time, door that gets closed at 2 minutes, and then the door that is closed the whole time.
Chief Phillips then handed out flares to Cedar City Council members so they could go inside the rooms and ignite them.
Timer is started.
Meanwhile, the firefighters waited outside as the flames spread. At the 10-minute mark, they were given the go-ahead to extinguish the blaze.
Put it out! Put it out!
Good. You can see most of the fuel package is still here.
Huh?
All that damage back there is their water stream hitting the sheetrock.
Yeah.
But you can see that a lot of the pallet and the bed frame, the drum, even though it burned really good, it didn't burn up the fuel.
Approximately 40 firefighters took part in the drills, Phillips said, as he thanked all those who participated. He also expressed appreciation to Maverik officials for allowing them to use the property for what he called a valuable learning experience. The buildings will soon be demolished to make way for a new convenience store and gas station on the corner of 200 North and Main Street. This is Jeff Richards reporting for Cedar City News, your #1 source for local news.